Hello everybody, nice to meet you. This is Jerry from Run Leader Company. Now let me introduce you a new kind of vibration hour meter. This hour meter has 5 features. First, no battery and wire required. Second, it works on any vibration equipment. Third, partial counter is reset. Fourth, sensitivity can be set high or low. Fifth, completely waterproof. Operation: switch on the engine and wait a few seconds. The display turns on automatically, showing the working hours and the blinking dot. Push the S button, the display shows the PAR for around 3 seconds. And after this, the partial working hours shows for around 8 seconds. Keep pushing the S button, you will see minus blinking. Release the S button, display will auto switch off after a few seconds, and the partial hours counter is resetted. Sensitivity setting: when the display shows HI, release the button, it will auto switch off after a few seconds. Then it is set to high. When the display shows LO, release the button, it will auto switch off after a few seconds. Then it is set to low. Take a motorbike for example. Install our meter in position where vibration is activated. The best part is the outer part of the traces. Caution: do not mount meter where surface temperature is hot. Fasten meter with tape. Turn on the engine. Wait a few seconds, around 8 to 10 seconds. The display will switch on, showing the working hours and the blinking dot.